pleasure to meet you all. I am Dr. Leong from Petrochemical Engineering Department, a department part under Faculty of Engineering and Green Technology, FEGT of Utah. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys regarding to the program offered by our department, which is the Bachelor degree in Petrochemical Engineering. Our campus is located at Kamba, which is a small town located to the south of Ipoh. This beautiful town has been a mining town in the past and is surrounded by lakes and mountains. Our Petrochemical Engineering program is a 4-year program which is fully accredited by Institute of Engineers Malaysia, IEM. In addition, it is also pre-approved by Malaysia Qualification Agency, MQA, and Board of Engineers Malaysia, BEM. In other words, it is fully recognized by Malaysia governments. Next, we go for the program details. First, the total fee for the whole program is about 51,750 ringgit Malaysia for Malaysian and also 69,200 ringgit Malaysia for international student. This course is entirely conducted in English. There are 3 intakes throughout the year, which is on January, May, and October. Petrochemical industry is an industry that produces end product for our daily use by using crude oil or natural gas as the raw material. In general, major petrochemical products will be synthesis from crude oil or natural gas, such as olefins, aromatics, glycol, acetic acid, and etc. Then, such petrochemical products will be further processed to become the end products, such as plastic, soap and detergents, solvent, drugs, fertilizer, pesticide, synthesis fiber, pen, and etc. These are actually the overall process operated by petrochemical industry. Our petrochemical engineering program aims to produce graduates who can synthesis, design, maintain petrochemical engineering related system. In addition, graduates are also able to perform service, sales, and marketing of petrochemical products. This course will train the students' oral and written skill while instilling technical, managerial, and ethical leadership roles. Furthermore, the program provides research opportunity guided by experts in various research fields, such as nanocomposite and advanced material development and manufacturing, microbial fuel cell and bioreactor design, fertilizer development, carbon dioxide gas adsorption, wastewater treatment, environmental impact assessment, renewable energy development, and etc. In addition, students are also exposed to some basic elements of Industry Revolution 4.0 and Internet of Things, IoT, which is actually a very important thing for our future in the engineering and technologies. Here is the program structure of Petrochemical Engineering program. In year 1, students will be learned about the basic of engineering, such as engineering drawing and engineering mathematics. Also, students will learn the basic of petrochemical engineering, such as mass and energy balance, polymer technology, and thermodynamics. In year 2, students will be exposed to the basic fundamental knowledge of petrochemical engineering. For example, students will learn about chemical reaction engineering, heat and mass transfer, process control and instrumentation, unit operations, and so on. In addition, we also have elective subjects starting from year 2, and students are given the opportunity to choose the subject that they are interested. In year 3, more advanced subject of petrochemical engineering will be introduced. For example, students will learn petrochemical processes, plant design, process optimization and simulations. Students will also have experience to conduct some experiments related to petrochemical processes in our laboratory. Nevertheless, students will gain some working experience in real-time industry when they are working as industry trainer in the industry in year 3. In final year, students will need to perform a detailed design on the petrochemical plant, and hence they will gain some skill in designing a petrochemical plant. Additionally, they will also have the opportunity to perform research work when they are working in their final year project. The research project will be guided by some expert in certain research area. Petrochemical industry has been growing rapidly in the past decades and expected to grow continuously due to the growing demand of petrochemical products. This chart shows petrochemical market demand of United States, and it has been expected to keep growing from the year of 2016 to year of 2027. In addition, due to the growth of renewable energy in transportation sector, the petrochemical industry is expected to overtake the transportation sector as the main driver of oil demand growth by the year of 2025. The future prospect of petrochemical industry in Malaysia is very appealing because Malaysia is an oil producing country with abundant crude oil and natural gas reserve. Malaysia is a country with the world 28th largest reserve of crude oil and condensate, and also the world 24th largest natural gas reserve. It has been reported that the oil production rate in Malaysia is about 608 barrels per day as of December of 2019. The development of petrochemical industry has been in great progress since the year of 1990s. The total investment in the petrochemical industry has exceeded RM32 billion by the year of 2001. There are various multinational petrochemical giants in Malaysia, including BASF, BP, Eastman Chemical, Idemitsu Petrochemical, Mitsui, DSM, and Downs, and so on. As a petrochemical engineering graduate, you can work in diverse fields. Here is the career prospect of petrochemical engineering, such as gas engineer, pharmaceutical engineer, petrochemical engineer, electronic and advanced material engineer, pulp and paper manufacturer, specialty chemical engineers, food processing engineers, scientists or researcher, and so on. In fact, the career of petrochemical engineer is not only limited to petrochemical industry. Petrochemical engineering graduates also can work in other chemical industry. Our program is conducted with the help of various facilities. We have various advanced research equipment, such as inductive copper plasma mass spectrophotometer, gas chromatography, TOC analyzer, particle size analyzer, high performance liquid chromatography, and so on. Students are given the opportunity to conduct this advanced equipment and increase their understanding towards the most pioneering research of petrochemical engineering field during their final year. Furthermore, we also have a lot of lab equipment for teaching purposes, such as reactive distillation columns, liquid extractions, temperature control units, gas adsorption columns, distillation columns, batch reactor system, and so on. With the exposure to this minor skill equipment, students can gain better understanding towards the petrochemical process in the real-time industry. In addition, we also have a plant design lab which explores students through the design of petrochemical plant. Besides studying the fundamental knowledge, students also can join various activities to gain communications and problem-solving skills, which is useful in the future career. For example, students can participate on National Chemical Engineering Symposium, NESUS, a competition participated by chemical engineering undergraduates throughout the whole nation. In Chem-ECA competitions, students have the chance to design a mini moving car which is driven by chemical reactions. Besides that, students also have opportunity to participate on novel research and innovative competition, NRIC, and also innovative and invention competition through exhibition I-Complex. Furthermore, we also will organize site visit to the industry such that students can be exposed to the real-time industry throughout their 4-year study. We also have community service activities, for example, Sungai Kinda River Education Program, in which students can involve in monitoring quality of river water and also participating in gotong royong activities. Here is the average employment rate of our alumni after 3 months of graduations throughout the years of 2014 to 2020. The survey results show that our alumni employment rate within 3 months of graduations can up to 80%, while 10% of them prefer to further their study in master or PhD program. Lastly, for those who are interested to join our petrochemical engineering program, you may contact our head of department, Dr. Matiaragan Muniyati. The details of the contact, such as the phone number and email, are listed here. For more inquiry, you also can contact our Division of Program Promotion at this email, enquiry@utah.edu.my. Thank you.